The bottom of the heater, as you saw, was there. This is where the gas valve is. This is where the burner assembly is. There's a little window. Do not remove the window, please. That shows you when the burner's on. Now, when you remove this burner assembly, okay, and you look behind it, now it's very simple because we don't have the top of the heater so you can actually see it. This is a thermal resistant device. This right here. Because this is in place, the bottom of the heater can breathe. All the vents that we showed you, the air comes in through these sides. Air comes in, oxygen goes here, your flame is here, right where the burner is, and it allows it to breathe. When the thermal resistant device breaks, this little pin will pop, this little glass bulb will break off. This pin will come right through. When that pin comes through, it closes the vent, heater can't breathe anymore. All right. Reason we say this is something for a professional. It's very simple to install through here. It's not that simple when you're installing it laying on the ground and trying to get your hand through here to do it. This is very difficult to do.
And most of the time, this type of heater will not be on top of something. It will be right on the floor. So you'll be working here.
Okay. Now, we can do it very easily because we don't have a top to the heater, so it's very simple for us. But this is not a part that should be messed with. If this part goes bad, if your heater cannot breathe properly, first thing you do is find out why it's not breathing properly. Or actually, first thing you should do is call Miami Water Heater to come out and fix it for you. Second thing is, we need to find out why your heater is not breathing properly. What is causing the problem? Why did this thing trip? This is a safety device. This trips for a reason. So if this tripped, we need to know why. So now, is the vent clear? Whatever it is, we find out what the problem is. Once we replace this part, the thermal resistant device, we can replace it. We put the burner back, put it all back together. If this part trips and the heater is under warranty for parts, Rheem, and I believe it's only Rheem that will do it, nobody else will give you that part free of charge. One time, only once, because this shouldn't happen. This part costs $90 if you want to just buy it. Plus a service call to go out and do it. Just the part itself is $90.